guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a
Tiny Mop. Okay. So what do we have? What are we
girl
going?
is not a boy.
Your cousin.
Yes.
Okay.
We're gonna need a screwdriver, an empty pen. I open this pen, and then we need a string. My mom tied over here.
Okay. We're gonna do a tiny mop.
Yes, we need a water because this is absorbing. Okay, now we're gonna take this ball.
Use the screwdriver
Oh,
to insert the string. No, the other end. Okay, I think I'll do it. Do you want me to help?
yes. Okay, nanti my mom help me. Aufa, no, Aufa, come, see. Aufa, look, It's hard.
Push inside. Yay. Okay. Now, so we've got. What do you have? Here. What is that?
Tiny Mop. Aufa,
Yeah,
Aufa,
cute
Aufa,
Tiny Mop.
Tolong buat macam ni.
Okay, now.
Pasik diam.
Okay, now let's see which side is absorbent. Before that, which side do you think is absorbent? The string side or the pen side? String
Aufa,
side.
come, Aufa sit here. She is small.
Okay.
Okay,
Do you want to test with the string or the pen first? You want to test with the string or the pen first? Put like water in the middle sikit. Okay. Sekejap. Sikit je lah. Cukup. Okay, test. So that's the amount of water. Test with the string. Okay, what's happening?
absorbing. Aufa pula wet. Long here. Yes.
Oh, is it absorbing the water?
Yes.
It is.
Okay, now
So what happens with the string?
wet.
It's wet. Okay, let's try the pen side. Yeah,
Here. Like this.
pen side. Okay.
Okay, Aufa look. Okay, it's your turn. Aufa, it's your turn.
Go on. Okay, what happens?
Nothing.
Nothing. The water's still there. So what does that mean?
Absorbing.
What does it mean, Nazia?
Absorbing.
Which one is absorbent?
The mop.
The mop, the string side. The pen side is
Non-absorbing.
non-absorbent. Alright, okay. Thank you.
Okay, Aufa cakap.
Okay.
How to speak?
Thank you. See you
Thank
again.
you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell. Bye.
Okay, Aufa, bye.
Bye. Tinggal pandang sini.